Hello, good morning. I am Bindu. Welcome to part 2 of the topic saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. In the first part, we have discussed about saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons and the naming of alkanes, alkenes and alkynes. In this topic, we are going to look into the structures of these compounds. Do you know the naming of organic compounds is based on certain rules laid by IUPAC. It is International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. It is an international federation of chemists. They decide the names of these organic compounds. So, do you remember the names of alkanes? It is the members of alkanes family are methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, heptane, octane, nonane and decane. Okay, so alkanes, we have learned about alkanes, alkenes and alkynes also. Okay. Now, when we write the molecular formula of the members of this family, they have a general molecular formula, that is CnH2n plus 2, where N is the number of carbon atoms. N is the number of carbon atoms. That means if we are putting N is equal to 1, then the formula becomes C1H2 into 1 plus 2. That is CH2 plus 2, 4, CH4. We know that this is the first member of this family, that is methane. It has only one carbon atom, but for one carbon atom, ANE, because it is an alkane. Okay. So if we want to find the formula for the second carbon atom, we have to put N is equal to 2. That is CN, C2H2 into 2 plus 2. That is C2H 2 into 2, 4 plus 2, 6. This is our ethane. So this is the second member having 2 carbon atoms. When we are putting N is equal to 3, the formula becomes C3H2n. 2 into value of N is 3. 3 into 3 plus 2. That is C3H6 plus 2, 8. This is the formula for propane. In this way, we can find the formula for all the alkanes. Okay. We are putting the value of N is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for finding the members of alkane family. So the general formula is CnH2n plus 2. So if you want to find the formula for pentane, how will you find the formula for molecular formula for pentane? We know that pent means 5 carbon atoms. So N is equal to 5. CnH2n plus 2. We are putting the value of N is equal to 5. C5H2 into 5 plus 2. That is C5H10 plus 2, 12. This is the formula for pentane. In this way, we can find the formula for all the alkanes. Now, the general molecular formula for alkenes. It is CnH2n. That means number of carbon atom. Where N is the number of carbon atom and the number of hydrogen atom is twice the value of the number of carbon atom. So if you want to find the first member, you know that alkenes are unsaturated hydrocarbons. Unsaturated hydrocarbons, that means there is a double bond between 2 carbon atoms. So the first member has 2 carbon atoms. 2 carbon atoms. So the first member of alkene is ethene, ENE. Eth4, 2 carbon atoms and ENE because it is an alkene. Okay. So to find the formula for molecular formula for ethene, you have to put the value N is equal to 2. Okay. Because there is 2 carbon atoms. N is equal to 2. Then CnH2n is the formula. Value of N is 2, C2H2 into 2. That is C2H4. This is the formula for ethene. Okay. Now, if we want to find the next molecule, N is equal to 3. C3H2 into 3. That is C3H6. This is our propene. Because it contains how many carbon atoms? 3 carbon atoms. Propene. And next molecule is butene. Butene. But means N is equal to 4. So, number of carbon atom 4. Hydrogen twice of this. 2 into 4. That is C4H8. And for pentene, value of N 5. That is C5. Number of hydrogen atom is twice of number of carbon atom. 2 into 5. That is C5H10. In this way, we can find the formula for every member of alkenes. Okay. Now, alkynes. What are alkynes? Alkynes are unsaturated hydrocarbons having a triple bond between 2 carbon atoms. So, the first member of this family has how many carbon atoms? 2 carbon atoms. So, the first member is ethyne. Et for 2 carbon atoms and YNE because it is an alkyne. Okay. So, the general formula for alkyne is, general molecular formula is CnH2n minus 2. Okay. CnH2n minus 2. Where N is the number of carbon atoms. So, to find the molecular formula for ethyne, we have to put N is equal to 2. That is C2H2 into 2 minus 2. That is C2H4 minus 2. That is 2. C2H2. This is the formula for ethyne. Next is propane. We have to put value of N is equal to 3. That means 3 carbon atoms. C3H2 into 3 minus 2. That is C3, 2 into 3, 6 minus 2. That is 4. C3H4. This is the formula for propane. Next is butane. Value of N is equal to 4. C4H2 into 4 minus 2. That is C4, 2 into 4, 8. 8 minus 2, 6. In this way, we can find the molecular formula for every member of alkyne. Pentane, N is equal to 5. C5H2 into 5 minus 2. That is C5H10 minus 2. That is 8. C5H8 is the formula for pentane. Okay. So, the general molecular formula for alkane is CnH2n plus 2, and for alkene CnH2n, and for alkyne it is CnH2n minus 2. This gives the molecular formula for every member. The molecular formula shows the number of atoms present in the molecule. Now we are going to look into the structural formula. Structural formula shows the order in which atoms are bonded in a molecule. Order in which atoms are bonded in a molecule. So, let's start with alkane. The first member of this family is methane, CH4. That is methane molecule. You know its structure, only one carbon atom and valence of carbon atom is 4. So 4 hydrogen atoms are attached to the carbon atom. This is the structure for methane molecule. Okay. The next member is ethane. It contains how many carbon atoms? 2 carbon atoms. So we have to draw the structure like this. 2 carbon atoms, and these carbon atoms are bonded by single bond. So one of the valency of this carbon is satisfied with the other carbon atom. Next, 3 valencies valency of this carbon atom has to be satisfied, and we are attaching hydrogen atoms like this. Same with this carbon atoms also. This is ethane molecule. So we can write the molecular formula C2. How many hydrogen atoms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. C2H like this. For propane it is, we have to write how many carbon atoms? For propane 3 carbon atoms. 1, 2 and 3. And the valencies are satisfied by hydrogen atoms. Okay. Here valence of carbon is satisfied 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again here 2 valencies are satisfied 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here 1 valency is satisfied 2, 3 and 4 hydrogen atoms. Okay. This is the structure for propane. Now we can write the formula for structure for hexane. Hex for 6 carbon atoms, ANE because it is an alkane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 carbon atoms. And we are attaching hydrogen atoms. All the valency of carbon atom is achieved in this way. Valency of this carbon atom, 1 satisfied with this carbon atom and the others with hydrogen atoms. This is the structure for hexane. We can also represent this molecule in this way. CH3 because with the first carbon atom 3 hydrogen atoms are attached. Second carbon atom 2 hydrogen atoms are attached. Again third carbon atom with 2 hydrogen atoms. CH2, again this carbon atom, CH2, last carbon atom CH3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 carbon atoms, and write the number of hydrogen atoms attached to each carbon atom. This is called condensed form of this structural formula. Condensed structure. Okay. In this way we can write. This is the condensed form. In this way we can write the structure of any alkane. Now we are going to write the structure for alkene. The first member is ethene. First member has 2 carbon atoms and a double bond between these carbon atoms. Okay. So 2 valency of this carbon atom is satisfied. The rest with hydrogen atoms. So the valence of this carbon atom is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Same with the other carbon atoms. Okay, this is the structure for ethene. For propene, how many carbon atoms? Prop 4, 3. ENE because it is an alkene. 1, 2 and 3. Then a double bond between 2 carbon atoms. 1, 2, 2 valency completed. So 3 and 4. In this way. 1, 2, 3. 1 valency. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1 valency with a carbon atom. 2, 3 and 4. This is the structure for propene. If you want to write the structure for pentene, how will you write pentene? Pen for 5 carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Double bond between 2 carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3 and 4. For this carbon atom, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here 1, 2, 3 and 4. With this carbon atom, one valency is satisfied with this carbon atom and 2, 3 and 4. In this way, we can write the structure for any alkene. 2 carbon atoms, 1, 2 carbon atoms. Since here is a double bond, we have to represent 1, 2, 3 and 4 shared electrons here. So, 2 electrons are here, 3, 4. Same with this carbon atom. Now represent the electron of hydrogen atom. Like this, we can represent the electron of hydrogen atom. Okay. Now, the duplex structure for hydrogen is attained in this way. And the carbon atom attains its octet by sharing electrons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Like this. This carbon atom also shares its electrons in this way. This is the electron dot structure for ethene molecule. Okay. Next molecule is alkyne. Of the alkyne family, the first member is ethyne. Ethyne molecule. That means 2 carbon atoms having triple bond. You can draw the structure like this. 2 carbon atoms, a triple bond is here. Okay. So 3 valency is satisfied. Next valency with hydrogen atom. Here also valency with hydrogen atom. So the valencies are complete. We can draw the electron dot structure for this molecule also. Represent 2 carbon atoms in this way. A triple bond is here. So how many shared electrons? Represent the electrons like this. 3 electrons with this carbon atom. The other valency is satisfied like this. This is our hydrogen atom with its electron. Again hydrogen atom with its electron. Duplex structure for hydrogen atom and carbon atom has how many electrons? 3, 6, 7 and 8. Sharing takes place in this way. Okay. This hydrogen atom 3, 6, 7 and 8. This also shares the electrons in this way. This is the electron dot structure for ethane molecule. Okay. Besides these straight chains, we have learned that carbon atom can also form cyclic compounds. One of that compound is molecule is cyclohexane. Cyclo means cyclic, hexane is the molecule with the 6 carbon atoms. We can represent it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is the cyclohexane. It has 6 carbon atoms and single bonds are between these carbon atoms. Now satisfy the valency of carbon atom. 1, 2. 2 valencies are completed. Then 3 and 4. Similarly with this carbon atoms also 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. This is the structure for cyclohexane. 6 carbon atoms and how many hydrogen atoms? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. C6H12. This is the formula for cyclohexane. Okay. Here single bonds are between carbon atoms. Now another molecule. This molecule has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 carbon atoms, but there is a single and double bond. Single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond. That is alternate single and double bond between carbon atoms. So, valency, look at this valency, 1, 2, 3. 4 hydrogen atom. This is the 1, 2, 3 and the valence is completed with hydrogen atom. For this carbon atom 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is our benzene molecule. Benzene. Okay. This molecule is benzene. In this way we can draw the structure for alkanes, alkenes and alkynes. For more videos please watch my channel. Thank you.